Hey there! Today we're drawing Rabie Baby from Poppy Playtime. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This line lays the foundation for Rabie Baby's head, giving shape to her fluffy contours. Now, watch as the mouth takes form with two cool fangs that add character. Here come the intense, glaring eyes that bring depth to her face. Let's put on some big, distinct bat ears, completing her fun facial features. Outline the body, adding a stylish necklace with a special pendant. Check out those wings. Detailed membranes give her that unique bat look. We'll finish Rabie Baby's figure with her legs. Finally, add colors, white fur, pink accents, and a red pendant to complete her vibrant look.